Now I will show you how to use the online conferencing. From your program portal, you go to the right hand panel. Under conferencing, you see meeting room. There you need to click on enter ADP virtual meeting room. As soon as you click on the link, it will launch a new window, and in that window it will open the web conferencing room, which is based on AdobeConnect technology. As you can see now, the screen gets populated, and the different boxes you see here on the screen, they are so-called pods, and each of those serves either the purpose of sharing information or of communication with the rest of the audience. I just go briefly to the different pods. You will also find a document explaining them again, and if you wish, we can organize a training session for your triad or more people if you like. So in the top left corner you see camera and voice. As soon as you click on the icon that says start my camera and voice, it will open my webcam. Just be aware that whenever you use the camera, it will consume bandwidth. So generally we recommend to not use the camera because you have people connecting from remote locations, so you might want to save some bandwidth. Underneath you have the list of attendees, so there you see who already connected. Next to that status, you have the option to change your current status. As soon as you do that, for example raise hand, you will see next to your name there's an icon that appears that changes your status. Then underneath we have a chat window. To write in the chat window, you simply type the message in the text window, you click and enter, and that will make this message appear in the chat window, right? Then we have next to it a poll. There you could type in a question, and as soon as you type it here, I select multiple choice on top, and for each answer I will need one line, and as soon as I do that I can say open poll, and everybody who is now in the audience could basically reply to my poll. The next pod is the file share. There I need to click on pod options, select from my computer, and there I could select a file, say open, and this will upload the file for everybody to the meeting room. And once the file appears in the file share pod, I right click on it, and I could also save it to my computer in case it's not me who uploaded the file. Then I have next to it the note pod. Whatever I type in here will also be visible for the entire audience, and you can save these notes or send them by email in case needed. Then you have here this whiteboard, that big window. That is where you actually share the content, and to share content you simply go at the bottom of the window where it says share, and there you can decide to either share your computer screen, documents, so you simply upload a document there, for example a PowerPoint, and that will make it appear in the whiteboard, and you have arrows to move forward or backward in your document, or simply a whiteboard as we have now. It's a board where everybody can write and type and draw together. And to get the options to write on the whiteboard, you have here at the bottom right whiteboard tools that will open a set of tools and allow you to enter text or do some basic drawings. And the other thing you will need to know is how to talk. So there you see here at the bottom, hold to talk as soon as I mouse over, and I can decide to go for hands-free, and as soon as I do that I will see like a microphone appearing in that attendee list, and you see now I am speaking and everybody could hear me, and as soon as I want to switch off I just click that button again, and you see my microphone disappears. So that's like a very basic introduction to use the tool. So if you want to know more or want to give it a try, send an email to learninglab@imd.ch. We can set up a short training session, or also go through the PDF that is attached in the post you just read before. Thank you.